Just finished making a video on Lucid Group, and Plug Power is in the same boat as it's in the EV sector, and the EVs have been taking it on the chin. You have the bellwether Tesla, who is down to 209, and so as Tesla goes, every other stock in the EV sector goes as well. This is the monthly chart on Plug Power, and you can see it's just been in a dismal downtrend. Going to the weekly chart, you can see price tried to rebound from this monthly buys level at $3.50, but ultimately the sellers are still in control. You have buyers trying to defend this level, right? You still haven't gotten a close below the lower end of the zone, but right now the sellers are in control. So Plug Power stock has plunged 60%, 64% in 2023. Many believe it couldn't go any lower. Few saw that it was coming. Shares of the hydrogen fuel cell company has now lost another 46% in value in 2024. So far, thanks to the massive drop in just the last 2 trading days, Plug Power stock slumped by double digits yesterday. This is one day last week, with another 15% today. This was probably on Friday. Fear and panic have gripped the market as Plug Power prepares to provide an annual business update on January 23rd, which is tomorrow. Its last quarterly earnings release, after all, was nothing short of a disaster, as it included a dire warning for investors, and as if the fear of what Plug Power could announce this week rather, wasn't enough, the company has just announced another stock sale. They need to raise money. They need to fund their operations. They aren't making money. So for a company that's just yet to turn a profit, its top line growth mostly decides whether the stock is worth investing in or not. Plug Power's revenues was growing steadily quarter over quarter until things soured up recently. In its latest quarter, Plug Power reported only 5% year-over-year growth in revenue. What shocked the market, though, was its gross margin of negative 69%. Biggest reason the market dumped Plug Power, though, was management's warning, stated that the company didn't have enough cash and equity securities to fund its operations over the next 12 months. In short, Plug Power could well be on the brink of collapsing and may not even survive if it cannot raise more capital to run its operations and growth projects. That explains the rationale behind the company's latest stock sale. On January 17th, Plug Power announced that it may sell shares of the company worth $1 billion over the next 18 months. Will $1 billion over the next year and a half be enough for Plug Power? As the company is deep in losses as of September 30th, it had accumulated a deficit of $3.8 billion and burned cash rapidly. This is another one that you need to stay away from. I realize that you do have this monthly buy level. However, what you can see or can't see is that as price continued to dip, it actually formed a monthly sell level. Now going down to the daily chart. When price broke this uptrend line, that meant more selling pressure was inevitable, and that's what we got. Several gaps down. Question is price setting up for another breakdown? Only time will tell. But if you get a candle close below this short-term uptrend line, we could see Plug Power head to $2 and then to $1. Again, take your clues from Tesla. Tesla continues to drop. So will Plug Power. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.